guys, welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a easy, beginner-friendly, everyday eye or whatever. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my social media handles, and like, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we live, baby. Let's get into it.
I'm in a room full of dealers and I ain't never sold.
So first, I already did my eyes off camera. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer as my eye primer. I'm gonna blend that in with my beauty blender.
Ain't never sold no bow. You in a room full of killers, but you ain't never shot no pole. Nigga, peace.
And then I'm gonna take a regular fluffy brush and I'm just gonna set my concealer with translucent powder.
Slime, peace, slime. I've been jigging 3 times.
So I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Palette from Morphe. I'm gonna go in with the color Jax. Just gonna put that in my crease. Two times. Yeah, push 2 times. Okay, I'm just gonna focus this color on my outer eye and windshield motion wipes. Always build up the color so that way you get it to a point where you like it and you don't just start off with a big lump sum of that, you know?
3 times fist tryna hold me back like rewind, but I gotta get them rest like each time need my.
Oof, my hand is itchy. That means I'm finna get some coins. We live, baby. Oh my god, it's so itchy. I must be getting a lot of money, baby. I'm not spending 100 to get 800. I'm gonna take a smaller, more dense brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Hunts. I'm gonna focus this on my brow, well, on my brow bone, right underneath it.
Yeah, baby, what's your name? I don't even need no game. I'ma just tell you what it is. If you wanna come through, that's cool. Hey, little nigga, don't front your move. If you do, you might get blue. Yeah. I don't rock Giuseppe's. I just rock a pendant on my necklace.
Now with an even smaller blending brush, to take a brown, I'm gonna take Central Park. I watch too much Friends, sorry. Literally a little bit. And I'm gonna blend that in my outer corner, going halfway into my crease. Tap, blend one, and then swoosh.
She say it made me sexy, but I blocked that bitch soon as she sent the message. Hey, what's wrong with me? I play life with cheek.
I'm always going back in with Jax on a fluffy brush because that's kind of like my blending color, my transition color. And that way everything just looks like it melts into each other and you don't see any harsh lines. With a flat brush, I'm going to take Firework. I'm just going to apply it on my inner.
Cause man, something gotta be wrong with me. That's your man, I call a little bro, that nigga ain't grown.
I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. So, here it is.
Cut her off a while ago, she still coming on to me. Ask me why I ain't hitting her back, I ain't had my phone in weeks. But never mind that fuss and shit, I'm still gon' bone for free. Hey. I'm in a room full of dealers and I ain't never sold no bow. You in a room full of killers, but you ain't never shot no pole. Nigga, peace slime. I've been jigging 3 times.
Okay, so when you're cleaning up your eye and you want it to have that straight kind of effect, you're gonna tap in Avi right underneath your eye, and when you get to the inner corner, well, the outer corner, you're just gonna like swipe it like swiper, just swipe it. And then you're gonna blend.
Yeah.
So for my under eye, just a small flat brush. I'm more comfortable with doing it with a small flat brush because I feel like I have more control over it. But I do see some people using like a blending brush, a big fluffy brush. So if that's your comfort zone, then rock out with your cock out, baby. It's just not my speed. I'm gonna take Hunt's.
You in a room full of killers, but you ain't never shot no pole. Nigga, peace, line, peace.
So I'm actually going to be using these Ioni lashes. These are actually from Dollar Tree in wispy spiky long. They literally cost me $1. They're 3D faux mink lashes. They're not too shabby. I'm not even gonna lie to you, y'all. They're really not. Lashes, the lash band is very thin. I'm so sorry for my nails, guys. I'm so sorry. But the lash band is super thin and it's very flexible. So that's always a big plus.
I've been jigging 3 times. Feds trying to hold me back like
super cute.
Rewind, but I gotta get them rest like each time. Need mine, yeah. Baby, what's your name? I don't even need no game. I'ma just tell you what it is. If you wanna come through, that's cool. Hey, little.
For the final step, I'm gonna take that same highlight that I just used for my cheeks, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also gonna add that same color into my inner corner.
Baby, what's your name? I don't even need no
So
game.
this is the final look. And I only used 4 shades, and that is including the glitter on my crease. Yeah, super easy, super quick. You know the vibes. These Dollar Tree lashes are super cute for like a regular natural kind of vibe. These are, once again, Ioni 3D faux mink lashes in wispy spiky long. 100% handmade, cruelty-free, and vegan. Very, very cute, and they're only $1, so you can't go wrong with that, to be honest with you. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. I will be back again soon with more looks. Hit that subscribe button. Buzzing. And yeah, we'll be back soon. Thank you guys for tuning in.
I'ma just tell you what it is. If you wanna come through, that's cool.